I don't know how to start this vlog, so I'm gonna do it like this. Please don't go. I'm gonna stop this soon. I'm not sure do I even know how to do this anymore, but I'm vlogging. I don't even remember when was the last time. And this is gonna be like super unedited, uncut version. So if I'm being crazy or something today, you'll see it. So I just like had the sudden urge to vlog. I have a lot of things to do today, so I'm taking you with me. And the first thing I'm doing today, I'm going to the library. I accidentally returned a movie to the library, which I had borrowed from a friend from the place I had my on-the-job training. And 2 nights ago, when I realized that the movie was missing, my stomach just dropped. Moi. Minä olin vahingossa palauttanut semmosen korealaisen elokuvan tänne pari päivässä. Joo. Joo, kiitos. Kiitos paljon. Kiitos ihan. Okay, I got it. Thank God they had it still. Crisis averted. Okay, so now I'm here, and the first of the first things I'm going to do, I'm going to update an Instagram story. And here I am, took a selfie of myself. And now I have to ask from the person whose ring and pendants I'm cleaning. I have to ask if she's okay if I show those jewelries in the video. I personally think that when I'm handling someone's jewelry, that's a customer's jewelry, I should always ask. I should always ask the permission to, you know, show them in the pictures and videos. I don't know how others are doing it, but I have asked the permission this far from everyone. Okay, so now while the ultra is getting hot, I'm going to eat, because if I don't eat now, then there is a big possibility that I forgot to eat in the next 4 or 5 hours or something, and I've done it before and it's not good. It's really not good for your body or your mind. Okay, so this ring needs to be round, and as you can see, it's not. It's a bit bent. It's gorgeous, by the way. I really like it. But yeah, so I think what I'm going to do first, I'm going to hammer it a little bit, and if it goes straight immediately, it's super thin. If it goes straight immediately, I'm not going to even like heaten it. But if it's starting to look like it has a lot of resistance, then I will have to make it softer. This has been a weird summer. I wasn't working anywhere officially, but I have been trying to build something for the future. I started photographing, I've made jewelry, but still the whole summer feels like an endless loop of me working on something but still not getting any done. But I know that it's not true. I am getting somewhere, I just don't know where yet. The bright side is, I feel like my creativity is on its peak. and I'm feeling more confident about the things I create. This is a tip someone told me at school. When you put the jewelry to the washing machine, ultra machine, you can put them to this bag and fill the bag with the same water you have in the machine. I've also spent time with my friends and family, and I've had fun. This summer was like a free pass for me to do those things I love and work on my creative skills. I am sort of waiting school to start and getting forward in life. Okay, so here's the thing. This is what I should be doing right now. I should be making a piece of jewelry from this, and I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to handle this. There were some instructions, I have already lost them. Yes, you heard me right. And now I'm just I'm going full freestyle. I don't even have a good plan. I'm just doing something, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so this weird thing is what I came up with, and it's obvious that I have to start tomorrow from the beginning. It's almost 10 o'clock. I'm gonna stop. I'm so tired. Okay, let's go take photos. That photo shoot was so nice. The owner was so nice. It just felt like after a photo shoot like that, after doing something creative like that, everything feels just possible. And I think that it's the essence of creative work. It's sort of it's giving you energy, and it just feels like, I don't know, it's so cool. It's so cool being able to create things.
The magic spell you cast. This is Lovey and Rose. When you kiss me inside, and though I close my eyes, I see Lovey and Rose. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart. A world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday word seems to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be lovely.